Hey guys, wanted to show you my entry for the NASCAR 2025 group build. It's a kit I got quite a while back on eBay. Kenny Schrader and Alan Kowicki. Got both cars. There's the Red Baron stuff, which I'm building this now because the two Kodak cars that I had also came with these, and the decals were still usable, so I'm going to try to do this before the decals go bad. So that's my thought anyway. But yeah, we've got two sets of tires, two sets of chrome. They look to be about the same. Tires and wheels, yeah, everything's the same on that. Of course, the body, the awesome T-Bird. Love that body style. And you get your glass pieces. Yeah, so it'll be pretty neat building both of these, because I've always been a Alan Kowicki fan right up to the end there, and it's a sad deal. I was actually there at Phoenix Raceway when he got his first win. So, but anyway, guys, I'm gonna let you go. But that's my entries into the 2025 NASCAR group build. So thanks, guys. Thanks for watching. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Glad you found it. And stay tuned for more updates. I got some videos coming on some other models that are done, and they'll be coming here shortly. So thanks, guys. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.